Bask and Lather versus Combat Edges. Which one slicks down 4C hair better? Let's go. Honestly, I like both. So first I'm going to start off with the Bask and Lather. I'm going to put on my baby edges. They are 4C and they are sparse. Next, I'm going to take my edge brush. This is very light. There is oil in this product. It's really pretty. I do like what this looks like. Next, we're going to take the Combat Edges. This is thicker in consistency. Once again, I'm going to take my edge brush. So this is the side with the Bask and Lather. And this is the side with Combat Edges. They both hold down really well. And they do last a long time. If you want it to last forever, probably Combat Edges. If you want a more natural, shiny look, I would say Bask and Lather. But they both work really well. That's why I use both of them. Okay, let's bring this back down.